Introduction to Food Hygiene Legislation and Foodborne Illness. Introduction. In this first module, we will explore why food hygiene is so important. We will look at the legislation around food hygiene, understanding food safety, and health issues caused by contaminants. The information will help you to reduce risks and prevent harm to consumers across all aspects of food handling. On completion of the module, you will be fully equipped to understand the importance of food safety, comprehend various key terms related to food safety, recognize the main risks to food safety associated with food handling, understand your legal responsibilities, recognize the food hygiene hazards, understand the importance of personal hygiene, implement standards for food safety, learn how to use cleaning chemicals appropriately and safely. Know your responsibility for reporting of sickness and illness. Food safety, why is it important? We all expect to be able to enjoy the food we eat, safe in the knowledge that it is not going to make us ill. Whether we are buying a sandwich from a takeaway van or buying a ready meal in a supermarket, we assume that nothing untoward will happen to us from eating it. In this section, we will look at what can go wrong and the common impact on the consumer. The importance of food safety cannot be overstated because it ensures that food is protected from anything that would harm the consumer. Unfortunately, the correct measures are not always taken by those involved in the preparation of food, which can lead to illness or injury. Food poisoning is very common and can affect anyone who eats or drinks contaminated food. In most cases, the infection will be mild, and people will make a full recovery within a few days. However, there are some very serious foodborne infections, which can have serious consequences, from lifelong disabilities to death. Those most at risk include the very young, the elderly, people who are already ill or recovering from illness, and pregnant women and their unborn babies.